I'm making a larger batch of the Hydrating leave-in conditioner. It's really good for 4B, 4C hair. Also, it's excellent for a rinse out for like fine and thin hair. Any hair that can't take like oils that weigh it down. So it leaves it really soft, manageable, and it detangles the hair. You have a beautiful comb through. So after this is done, because these are the cool down ingredients, so I'm waiting for this to cool down, and then I'll add these extracts for the cool down phase, and then I'll mix it some more, and then I'll put it under the homogenizer. And the homogenizer I'll do for like 30 seconds to a minute. And what that does is it adds more body to it. It homogenizes it really, really well, the emulsion, and creates a more stable emulsion. And the body is it's more luxurious. That's something you cannot get unless that kind of mixing, unless you use a homogenizer.